Hey guys, and welcome to another Tribal Wars video. Today I'm gonna do anti-snipe. So, not worth trying anymore. Apparently he timed out 3 attacks in the middle of his train. Wow. Yeah, wow, that's my boy. So after this one I need to hit the attack, I guess. So I hope I'm not gonna mess up. So pretty much I told this guy I'm gonna snipe, but instead, you know, I'm doing the anti-snipe here. So yeah, so 56, 37, 429 milliseconds. So I need to wait 1 more minute. Meanwhile, I can tell you quickly what's cooking. So basically, this guy thinks I'm gonna help. In reality, I'm not helping him. I'm helping the dude that's trying to noble him in a quite nasty and sneaky way. But well, it's tribal wars. Everybody's doing that. So yeah. So he did some anti-snipe as well. So good job, D. So get some anti-snipes. Yeah, both of them are sending me that. So that's pretty fun. So here's the anti-snipe. Come on, load quicker. Yeah. So as we can see, a nuke, noble, anti-snipe, noble, anti-snipe, noble, anti-snipe. Okay. So I'm pretty much going to do that as well. So at the 37. 56, 37, so only 30 seconds left. Come on, Edgars, I can do this. And 400 milliseconds, so I'm looking to hit the button early on now. So yeah, my computer log should be around 200 milliseconds. So once it's 37, I wait just a little bit and then smash the button. So I can do this. So let's prepare. Slowly breathing. Alright. 31, 32, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Smash. Come on. Come on. Alright, gotcha. There we go. 497. So there we go. How can I now show off this to my friend? So that's how you anti-snipe, guys. You can see anti-snipes are here, here, and here. Basically after each noble. I'm pretty sure that's not legal what this guy was doing, but well, fuck that, right? Because there is ways how to send a lot of attacks only pressing one button, and Tribal Wars rules does not allow that. Maybe he doesn't know that because Tribal Wars change the rules all the time. So I'm gonna send him. Got it? Got it. And here, Mr. D. Got it, bro. There we go. So that's pretty much it, I think. What else? So it's 37 and 497. So my anti-snipe is at 97, just after his second noble. Yeah, so that's pretty much excellent. I think last 2 nobles will be safe and secured. And another thing, just to stick it in his face, I wanted to change the village's name. So snipe or anti-snipe or anti-sniped bitch. How to decide? Let me know in the comments section, guys, which village name would be the best. But I'm gonna go with anti-snipe bitch. Is it rude? Can I get banned? So I'm gonna put one here. So yeah, it's not rude, right? Yeah, let's do this. So that's pretty much it. That's how you anti-snipe. Anti-sniping is same like sniping, you just try to get attacks in between your nobles instead of defense in between enemies' nobles. That's all. So guys, I hope you learned something new. Thank you all for watching. And if you have any questions about timing or anything, let me know in the comment section. Again, I'm gonna be happy to help you and explain how I learned, how I practiced, so how I got better. Even with this recording program, I can do this, so you can do it as well. And this world has 50 millisecond gap, not like some other worlds with 100 milliseconds. So this one is a little bit tougher, but still manageable if you know your computer log. So thank you all for watching, and see you in the next video.